Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by gathering the essentials: your account number, the phone you will link, and an ID. Once done, sign into the account portal or open the official mobile app. Make sure you use a secure network. You choose the linking method now: automated form or customer support assisted. If using the app, navigate to Security or Profile and select Link Phone. This first step sets authorization scope and prepares the system to verify ownership of both account and number. You will now supply the account number and choose a verification channel. Enter the number exactly to prevent mismatches. The system sends a one-time code via SMS or voice call. If you prefer, use an authenticator app for a token. Once you receive the code, enter it promptly. Delays can expire the token. Make sure to respond to any secondary identity prompts like birth date or recent transaction amounts, because these confirm you are authorized to link the phone to that specific account. You finish by reviewing the summary and confirming the link with your password or biometric. This authorizes the change in the system. Once confirmed, you should receive an on-screen success message and an email or SMS confirmation. Make sure to test by signing out and signing back in or requesting a test code. If you don't get a code, request a resend, verify carrier message blocking, try the voice option, or contact support. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.